All right, I'm at a standstill. So, I'm gonna have my wife help me get the passenger door thrown on. I put the magical rust remover on this side. She's rough. She is definitely rough. So, we'll get the passenger door on, and I'll start working on the terrible bottom. I don't know why I never looked at the bottom of these doors. I just seen the rest of the door and I went, oh, it's a good shape. You gotta look at all of it. But like I said, it is what it is. It doesn't slow down my progress any, because I just need to find a different set of doors for when I do the full rebuild. Right now I'm just cleaning things up, putting it together, making it look better, making it run better, because I want to get it on the road. I want to race it. I want to show the kids what my childhood was like, and they'll love it. And that's what matters. So, hey, Nikki, how's it going? Oh, yeah. Oh, anyways, let's get the passenger door on. Get the door fitted up so I can start working on the rust. Now, when I fitted up the driver's side door, I broke the door handle because it wasn't lined up right. Somehow I broke the linkage that holds the door on the inside. But last time when I mounted the door, I held the door while my wife put bolts in. This time I latched the door on the back, held the front up. You see how we did?
Yeah. Nice.
So you go to mount a door, latch the latch first, obviously. Look at that. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but that son of a bitch is within at least a 30-second. I think I need to rise the whole door up just a hair. So what I need to do is loosen the striker, tap it up a hair, and go from there. But when I do that, I'll have to adjust that again. But I'm not worried about doing any of that until I get the fenders on to keep it all straight. Let's see how it looks. It is not bad. It's not bad at all. Progress. Now let's see how the bottom of this door looks before I go any further. Oh my God, it's just as bad as the driver's side. Why can't everything I put on my truck just be brand new? Oh yeah, I'm broke. Sheesh. Missing the corner there. Like I said, still better than where I came from. I think the bottom of the doors on the Bronco were in better shape, but on the doors of the Bronco that I took off of here, someone had mounted tow mirrors, so there was big holes where the tow mirrors used to be. There was huge rust bubbles from where they put Bondo on to rebuild it. I mean, the Bondo is still existent in the other body panels. I mean, look how thick that Bondo is. That's at least 3/16. So let me see if I can break that off. I mean, I'm not doing the best work, but I'm not gonna have 3/16 of an inch of Bondo on anything when I'm done. Guarantee you that. But I think I'm gonna call that a night. I also wire brushed where the fenders bolt up and primered it on both sides tonight. That way when I mount the fenders, it's not sitting steel to steel. There's at least a coating in there. I want to put another coat of primer, then a coat of black, and I'm just worried about this lip right here where the fender touches. But that's tomorrow's problem. You guys have a good night. Thanks for watching, and like I've said before, if anybody has any suggestions, comments, concerns, threats, no, I'm just kidding, whatever, put it in the comments section. If you make it all the way through any of my videos, just give me a like. Costs nothing. Costs nothing. And if you don't like my videos, don't like it. Have a good night. Okay, it is 1 o'clock Saturday morning, and I am just finishing up out here. Where is my flashlight? There it is. Earlier, I got the door mounted, but in the late evening / early morning, I've got the inner fenders undercoated and lined and looking good. We'll check back in tomorrow morning after everything is dried and see how it looks. Okay, I don't recall where I left off last night because I didn't leave the garage until like 3 o'clock. But it is now noon the next day. Got the house picked up. Figured I'm gonna come out here and do some more work. I got the heater on, getting the, oh wow, it's nice and warm. Getting the chill taken out of the fenders. Whoops. Getting the chill taken out of the fenders so I can sand and clean up the insides and then prime them and put a coat of black paint on them just so the inside's cleaned up for now. We'll worry about the outside later, obviously, but for now, I'm going to get my Scotch-Brite out. I'm going to scuff the inner fenders on both sides, wipe them down, do a second coat. In the daylight, I can tell it's a little thin in a few spots, but not terrible. So, let's make it happen. Alright. Some people think my box fan idea is silly, but look at how black that filter is. It sucks up a lot of particulate matter in the air. I got the door open because it's kind of... Anyways, kind of fuming in here. The can on the paint says it takes 2 hours to dry to touch. You are supposed to either recoat within an hour or wait to do a second coat after 48 hours, it says. So I've already got 2 coats on there. It's got 2 coats of primer, 1 coat of undercoating, not bed liner, one coat of undercoating, and 2 coats of gloss black. Oh, where'd the can go? And 2 coats of Rust-Oleum high performance enamel. This stuff's like $10 a can, but it's pretty good as far as spray paint goes. At least I think so anyways. But I'm gonna let the fumes air out in the garage for about 2 hours. We'll let the fenders sit here and warm up. And then 2 hours from now I'll come out, start cleaning up the inside of the fenders and get them primed, probably sand it down, 2 coats of, let that dry overnight. And then on the inside of the fenders, I don't know if I'm gonna do truck bed coating or black paint. Probably just black paint because obviously down the road I need to do some body work, but I want to get these fenders on hopefully by Wednesday. Get the fenders on by Wednesday. See if I can get the hood set on Wednesday night or Thursday. And then next weekend I hope to have the new fuel system in it and see if it fires up again. But anyways, this will probably be the end of this YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Leave a comment, share, like, subscribe, whatever. Or don't. Have a good day. Love you guys. Stay safe out there.